Please welcome Anant Handa.
Hello, and thank you for joining us this morning. Today, we will talk about how we are building an intuitive and simplified seller experience for our FBA tools. My name is Anant Handa, and I'm a senior manager with FBA. I'll be kicking off our presentation today, and then I'll turn it over to my teammate, Elena Nelson, for the second half. When you leave here today, we hope you're as excited about the changes coming to FBA tools as we are. At Amazon, we obsess about customer experience. We review your feedback, conduct usability studies, and use data to help build products that make it easier for you to grow and manage your business. Our vision is to build experiences that are trusted, easy to use, and get the job done for all selling partners. The improvements we'll discuss today impact all sellers. This includes sellers who may be using our web-based tools or our reporting products to analyze their data and make decisions offline. We'll also talk about improvements coming for developers who may use our APIs to programmatically access their data. We will talk about three main themes. The first is discoverability. It should be easy to discover all the tools we offer and take necessary actions. We will share details on how we are streamlining navigation and building experiences that help provide a consolidated view of your business metrics and the recommended actions. Next, we'll talk about business analytics. We're making it easier for you to analyze your data and generate insights directly through Seller Central. And last, using Amazon's artificial intelligence and science, we are able to provide customized guidance for improving your key business metrics and drive growth. We value your feedback and use it regularly as an input into our research to build new experiences. We conduct usability studies, review content that's posted on seller forums, and the feedback you provide directly through Seller Central to shape our products. Please keep sharing this feedback. It is extremely valuable. The slide behind me lays out some of the key themes we've heard and what we are doing to make it easier for you to find the tools required to run your business. We've heard it is time-consuming to navigate and find the tools you need. Today, we are introducing an updated navigation experience that helps you find the information and functionality needed to complete business-critical tasks. You told us that you'd like a single-page view of all your metrics that are relevant to your business. We're excited to share details on a new dashboard we've developed. And finally, we're launching a new page that makes it easier for you to analyze your FBA sales. Over the next few slides, we will walk through each of these products. First up is simplification of the inventory menu. Based on our research, you told us that 6 of the 14 links under inventory were better suited for listing creation activities. They have now been moved under the catalog menu. We've also included a grouping of the FBA inventory under the inventory menu. This updated navigation experience is designed to reduce cognitive load and simplify the navigation experience. Next, to reduce the scattershot experience we experience today, we are introducing a new FBA navigation bar, which will house all tools relevant to FBA and help improve discoverability. Prior to this, there was no easy way for you to traverse between domains such as shipping and inventory. Our goal is to have everything you need to manage your business in the same place when you're in FBA management mode. As a result of these changes, the tools you need are no more than 2 clicks away. Today, we're also addressing a major usability pain point for sellers by launching the FBA Dashboard. This new dashboard provides a summarized view of your FBA business, including sales, shipments, inventory, and growth opportunity information. We realize our tools are scattered across multiple apps and workflows. This requires you to string together information to manage your day-to-day operations. Do you wake up every day wondering, how much inventory to send to Amazon? How long will my inventory last? How to plan against storage limits? Did my shipment arrive on time? What products should I enroll in FBA? This new dashboard should be the one-stop shop for you to manage and view the entire suite of your financial and operational metrics. Each card provides an easy egress to its dedicated workflow. In our studies, this new design has helped improve productivity by reducing excessive clicking and eye scanning to take corrective action. I'll walk us through each of these cards over the next few slides. First up is KPI cards, or key performance indicators. We want these cards to show the metrics you care about your business. Today, we will start by surfacing 3 sales-related cards for total sales ordered, units ordered, and the total number of orders you've received. You can select different time periods, and the cards update instantly with your data. This is a real-time card, so you can also view sales for today and look back up to 1 year's worth of data. We're working hard on adding more metrics, and later this year, we'll be adding a card for fees and days of inventory. The next card we will talk about is the plan inventory card. As a recap, your IPI score measures how efficient you are in managing your FBA inventory and is impacted by multiple factors. The score also impacts how we determine your storage volume limits. This card is intended to show the actions you can take to improve your inventory efficiency. And over time, these actions should result in IPI score improvements. If you hover over the influencing factors, we will show you your performance, and we've color-coded it. In the example behind me on the screen, we show an example of the recommendation to restock inventory and the estimated lost sales as a result of not having enough. Next is the shipment card. It provides a visual representation of where your products are as they make their way to our fulfillment centers, allowing for pain-free troubleshooting along the way. We are able to highlight defects that require your attention and provide an easy ingress to the shipping queue page. Later this month, we will also start highlighting shipments that are missing tracking information. Next, we will talk about 2 inventory cards, one for inventory age and the other one to optimize your inventory. As you may already know, units that are aging in our warehouses may incur long-term storage fee. The intent of this card is to show you a breakdown of your inventory in different aging buckets. This should make it easier for you to understand when inventoried items start accruing long-term storage fees. The Optimize Inventory card is a summary of all actions we are recommending to make your inventory more productive. We show restock recommendations for products that need more inventory, and for products that have enough inventory, we show recommendations to create sponsored product ads, create deals, etc. All these recommendations are intended to help improve your cash flow. When you click on these inventory cards or a recommendation within them, we will take you to a sorted and filtered view of the new FBA Inventory page. This updated page combines inventory-related metrics with sales data to provide you recommended actions for restock, excess, and aged inventory into a simplified FBA management tool. Let's consider a seller who sells tea kettles, and they want to determine what to do with the inventory as the holiday season approaches. This new tool shows recommendations to create sales and sponsored ad to help improve the sell-through rate and avoid long-term storage fee for 2 products. There's a tea kettle up there that is low on inventory, and we'll show recommendations for restock. You can find this new tool with a single click under the updated inventory navigation menu. More details on how to manage excess inventory and restock were covered yesterday. On to the last card now. We recognize that many of you sell both through FBA and fulfill products on your own. This new growth tool helps you analyze your catalog and recommends actions to enroll ASINs into the FBA program or the FBA Small and Light program. Enrollment in FBA can help you grow your business and reach more customers. The FBA Small and Light program is for lightweight and generally for items priced under $10. Please note that FBA Small and Light recommendations will be available on this dashboard later in October. When you click on the Opportunities card, we take you to the updated Opportunities page. This page now shows the expected lift over the next 90 days for converting an ASIN from MFN to FBA. We also include the rationale behind a recommendation and a series of metrics for you to understand this opportunity better. We hope these changes will help you better understand the recommendations we are making and take actions against them. We've covered a lot of ground today on the dashboard cards, but what if you wanted to analyze your sales? Today, we are also excited to share the first AWS QuickSight-powered business intelligence dashboard to view and analyze your sales data. You can filter for a desired listing, select a time frame, and quickly visualize 1 year worth of data to generate insights faster. We've also included a table that shows your top-selling products, and it provides a quick ingress to a page where you can view more details of this particular SKU and take any necessary actions. This analytics page will be launching later this month. And before the end of the year, we plan to extend similar analytical capabilities to your inventory data. That's all for me. I'll now welcome my teammate, Elena, on stage to talk more about reporting.
Thanks, Anant, and thanks to all of you for being here. I hope you're enjoying day 2 of Accelerate. My name is Elena Nelson. I'm a senior product manager with FBA. Anant covered the improved FBA navigation, FBA Dashboard, and sales analytics page. That's a tough act to follow, but now let's talk about the improvements we're making to fulfillment reporting. Our vision is to provide a world-class reporting experience. We will empower you with tools to not only access data, but generate insights and unlock decisions to grow your business. To achieve this vision, we're focusing on 3 main factors. Analytics, tools that will help you easily make sense of large amounts of your FBA data, like the new sales analytics page that Anant showed you a few minutes ago. The second factor is unified reports. We're simplifying the reporting landscape by consolidating reports, giving you one source of truth, not a handful. And last is a customizable reporting experience, so you can avoid information overload and focus on what's most important to you and your business. We value your feedback, and we use it to drive our reporting roadmap. On the slide behind me, you can see the 3 major themes and what we're doing about them. So let's start with simplicity. We've heard that FBA has too many reports, and it takes too long to find the information you're looking for. So we're simplifying the reporting landscape and making it easier for you to find what you need. And next up is flexibility. Every business is unique, so the reporting experience needs to be flexible, with room for you to customize and schedule reports to suit your needs. We're taking steps to provide the data you want when you want it. And finally, we learned that you need information to be timely. For things that are frequently changing, like inventory, you want to be notified quicker. Reducing your time to insight means you can make better, data-driven decisions for your business. And now let's take a deeper dive on the exciting changes we're bringing to FBA reporting. First, we've simplified the Fulfillment Reports homepage. We offer a wide variety of reports for inventory, sales, payments, customer concessions, and removals. When I started my career in supply chain, a mentor told me a saying that has stuck with me ever since. They said, "You can't manage what you can't measure." Our fulfillment reports make it easy for you to measure every aspect of your business, so you can manage it effectively. Each month, our reports are accessed millions of times. So if you're not already using them, we hope that our new reports homepage will be the push you need to get started. The new layout includes all the info you're used to, plus a few new things. The card at the top gives a high-level overview of the report types that are offered and how to download them. We're most excited about the 3 cards in the center of the page, highlighted in red on the slide behind me. The Recently Visited card will show a chronological list of the reports that you have visited. We recognize that there are a lot of reports hosted on the platform. This card should make it faster and easier for you to quickly revisit reports that you've used recently. The Most Popular Reports card shows the 5 most popular reports on the platform. It's based on the number of downloads and online views by sellers. We added this card to make it easier for you to discover the reports that the seller community find most useful, because maybe you will too. On the far right, we've got the What's New card. We'll use this card to share announcements about what's changing in the world of FBA reporting. To further simplify your reporting experience, we've consolidated reports. We consolidated 6 inventory reports into the new inventory ledger, and 3 inventory health reports into the new Manage Inventory Health report. This consolidation means you don't have to spend time combining reports to get the insights you're looking for. Next, on the theme of flexibility, we're launching a custom report builder. This tool will show you a list of data elements for a given domain, like inventory or returns. And you can choose which ones to include in your custom report view. You can also save your custom view, so you can regenerate it in the future. We plan to launch this feature in North America starting in December, and we'll gradually roll it out to all North American sellers by the end of January. The Q4 release will include the ability to build custom reports for the inventory domain, with plans to expand to more domains, such as returns and shipments, in the future. Finally, we're launching 2 new tools to ensure timely access to your data. First, we're launching a report scheduling tool. You'll be able to schedule reports so they're ready when you want them. First, you pick a report. You can see I've selected FBA customer returns in the screenshot behind me. Then you set the frequency. This is how often you want to run the report. Finally, you set a start date and choose your file format. Check back at the frequency you specified. Your report will be available for download in the My Reports section of the page. Our initial launch in Q4 will include 4 reports: Manage FBA Inventory, FBA Customer Returns, Amazon Fulfilled Inventory, and Reserved Inventory. We're starting with these 4 reports because of their high usage and the fact that we could identify regular usage patterns, so it would make sense to schedule them. We plan to keep collecting data and extend this feature to additional reports in the future. We're also launching a new API. In case you're not familiar with APIs, let me give you a little context. Some sellers utilize our data within their own systems. They use our APIs to pull that data from our system and get it into theirs. The new API we're launching is unique because it will proactively publish push notifications for inventory changes, reducing the number of queries that developers have to send. In the graphic behind me, you can see a basic workflow of this API. The API will recognize an inventory change. That event will be queued up and bundled with any other changes happening around the same time. And then that data will be pushed to the seller system. For sellers using this API, it will reduce your time to insight for inventory changes. They'll be published near real time, so you'll know about changes as they happen. We've covered a lot of ground in this presentation, so here's a quick recap. We've improved the navigation to FBA tools, so it's easier for you to find what you're looking for. We introduced the FBA Dashboard, which consolidates the info you need to manage your business. We're also building a sales analytics page, so you can visualize your sales trends. We've redesigned the FBA Fulfillment Reports homepage and added 3 new cards to help with report discoverability. And finally, we're adding a variety of tools to improve your reporting experience, like the Report Scheduler and Push Notifications API. Thanks again for joining us today. I hope you're as excited about the changes coming to FBA tools as we are. And please make sure that you fill out our session survey, and hope you have a great rest of your day here at Amazon Accelerate.